This new altcoin just did a 25x in a single day, and Arbitrum has just airdropped another $120 million in tokens, and people aren't happy. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin traders may be gearing up for a sell-off as data shows tens of thousands of coins moving to exchanges. The latest figures from CoinGlass confirm that global trading volume leader Binance's Bitcoin balance rose by over 50,000 Bitcoin or $1.5 billion in the past 30 days. With Bitcoin setting multi-month highs regularly since mid-March, the temptation to sell for both long-term and short-term holders has undoubtedly increased. According to CoinGlass, Binance alone now has 51,000 Bitcoin more on its books than 30 days ago. Binance, with the largest trading volume of any exchange in the past 24 hours alone, saw over $10 billion in volume. Blockchain data shows long-term holders of Bitcoin are profitable for the first time in almost a year. The 7-day average for Bitcoin's long-term holders spend output profit ratio, or SOPR, has crossed above 1 for the first time since May 2022, according to data from Glassnode. The long-term holder SOPR focuses on coins moved on-chain that have a lifespan of at least 155 days. At the current price of $29,500, the cryptocurrency is up 90% from the low of $15,460 recorded in November last year. Injective protocol, which has been one of the strongest altcoins in recent months, has now integrated Astar, bringing the leading Polkadot parachain into the broader IBC ecosystem for the first time. With this integration, Astar assets can now be accessed by the Injective ecosystem and the larger Cosmos community, integrating two of the largest networks within the broader Polkadot and IBC universe. This was made possible thanks to the recent integration of Stellar Network, which enabled the support of Astar assets to be bridged through C-Bridge. Astar Network is a blockchain that aims to be Polkadot's smart contract hub and serves as a parachain for Polkadot. It provides the infrastructure for building dApps within both EVM and WASM smart contract environments, and Astar is also the leading blockchain in Japan today, having collaborated with companies such as Sony and Toyota. Astar's unique build-to-earn model empowers developers to earn through a dApp staking mechanism for their code and their dApps they build. Now users on Injective can access both Astar and Polkadot assets seamlessly, in turn bringing the Polkadot and Cosmos ecosystems closer together than ever before. A number of applications built on Injective such as Astroport can now begin to support assets such as Astar, the native token for the Astar Network. Astroport is a sophisticated AMM protocol built on Injective that allows any user to swap or LP crypto assets using multiple pool types. As a result, IBC assets can travel into the world of Polkadot with Injective serving as the main gateway. Assets such as Atom can also be utilized by Astar with the help of Injective, thus further expanding the utility of Injective with respect to interoperability. Not only does this integration allow for native Astar and Polkadot assets to integrate with Injective, but it also further cements Injective's position as the main gateway for cross-chain assets to enter the world of IBC. Injective has had a crazy run-up this year, going from under $1.50 at the start of the year to $10 this month. Injective is definitely one to keep an eye on. Ethereum scaling blockchain Arbitrum on Tuesday completed the distribution of more than $120 million worth of its ARB tokens to projects that were built on the network. In March, Arbitrum issued and airdropped its tokens to individual users in amounts ranging from 625 ARB to over 10,000 ARB based on their network activity and number of wallets. Projects that built on the Arbitrum network such as GMX and Token Launchpad Camelot were eligible for the airdrop, receiving tokens in proportion to the number of smart contract deployments, users, and trading volumes, among other factors. For some, like Vesta Finance, the airdrop provided a multi-million-dollar stimulus. The project was eligible for 2.7 million ARB tokens, worth just under $6 million. This can allow the project to over time sell the tokens to bolster its own development or even provide token incentives to users to further jumpstart activity. Projects such as Plutus DAO said they'll use their airdrop allocation in multiple ways to make the project stronger without revealing specifics. Other projects decide to sell as soon as they receive the tokens. However, gaming-focused Trident DAO sold $175,000 worth of ARB, or half of the amount it received, through 3 addresses. The move received criticism from the community for its action. On-chain data from Looks On-Chain shows 90 million ARB tokens, or about $120 million at current prices, were sent to over 131 DAOs. NFT Marketplace Treasure DAO and GMX received the most at 8 million ARB, or $12 million. ChainGPT has been taking off recently, up 25% in the last day to 16.5 cents. ChainGPT is an advanced AI model explicitly designed for blockchain technology and crypto-related topics. It uses the latest algorithms and high-speed computing capabilities to address challenging issues in the blockchain and crypto space. Using ChainGPT, users may quickly obtain whatever knowledge and information they require. With many other unique features designed for individuals, developers, and businesses, ChainGPT is designed as an essential tool for all of the blockchain space. Among its unique features are blockchain and crypto information, no-code smart contract generators, smart contract auditors, code debuggers, code to words, chart and technical analysis, blockchain analytics, on-chain live data, and source of news. They said by creating the most advanced AI model, we offer users unlimited use cases to which ChainGPT can be applied. My question to you guys is, do you think AI in crypto is just hype, or is it something bigger? We're going to be digging deep into these crypto AI projects in the coming months, so let us know which projects you want us to review in the comments down below. Google Cloud is working with Polygon Labs to help developers make it easier to build, launch, and grow their Web3 products and decentralized applications on the Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain. Under the new partnership, Google Cloud will bring its blockchain node engine, the tech giant's fully managed node hosting service, to the Polygon ecosystem, which will help developers focus on building on the protocol while retaining complete control over where nodes are deployed. Today's announcement with Google Cloud aims to increase transaction throughput, enabling use cases in gaming, supply chain management, and this will pave the way for even more businesses to embrace blockchain technology through Polygon. Tech powerhouse Google said that its partnership with Polygon will also help the protocol advance its zero-knowledge innovation strategy, potentially making transactions cheaper and faster. April marked a very significant month for Polygon as its much-awaited ZkEVM protocol, which launched late last month, gained even greater acceptance from its community and the broader Web3 ecosystem. In its latest performance report for April, Polygon said key trends in the ZkEVM protocol with more than 300% growth rate. The protocol reported that as of April 24th, the total number of unique active wallet addresses topped 50,000 on its ZkEVM mainnet beta. The protocol also noted that the total transactions on the high-performance zero-knowledge platform also soared with a total of 95 ETH, worth 177,000 generated in fees. According to the report, the Polygon ZkEVM protocol costs 7 times less than what the current Ethereum protocol charges its users within the same time span. Binance Launchpad, the leading platform for launching innovative blockchain projects, has added Open Campus Protocol to its list of projects. This marks the 31st project to be launched on the Binance Launchpad, and Open Campus is a decentralized education platform that operates on the BNB chain. There's a couple of reasons why this project is worth paying attention to. First off, it is the first project backed by Animoca Brands to be launched through the Binance Launchpad since the Sandbox project. Secondly, it is the first education coin to be introduced in the Web3 ecosystem. It aims to create a Layer 1 infrastructure for education with a governance token that can provide support for multiple projects. Additionally, the first open campus dApp, called TinyTap, has the backing of Sequoia China, which is one of the most active investors in the education industry. And lastly, has an experienced team, EDU council members from the US, Europe, Asia, and Middle East. This has also been the biggest crypto launch year to date. The token's launchpad price was 5 cents and is now sitting at $1.25, which is a 25x in the past day. So while this token does look promising, you may want to wait for a dip, do your own research, and then consider adding it to your portfolio when the hype has died down a bit. According to a Nansen research report, the top 25 early whale bridgers to ZkSync have an average of 32% of their total holdings on ZkSync. These holdings comprise of Spot ETH, USDC, and Mute, signaling lots of idle capital sitting on ZkSync. Most of their activity is centered around DEXs, particularly LPs across SyncSwap, Izumi Finance, Mute.io, and Velocore. The majority of the LPs are in the ETH USDC pools, and alts make up a very negligible position, currently indicating a lack of interest in the ZkSync alts. There is a lot of idle capital waiting to deploy given the large amounts of spot holdings sitting in ETH and USDC. Keeping track of new product launches can prove fruitful in the near term if there is an altcoin season. A few derivatives apps are launching soon, such as Unidex Finance and Derivio, which are in testnet. However, there have been many rug pulls on ZkSync, so always exercise caution before interacting with any protocols. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.